Belgian waffle or the chicken and waffle? Actually, I'm gonna get the cinnamon French toast with some biscuits and some toast. One Oreo pancake for you and me to share. Then I get this, you get what you want. I want the choco nut banana waffle, a butter cookie latte, or an iced cloud latte. Can we get everything on here?
Go in the middle, it's over here, Benedict over there.
Oh dang, that's good. Definitely a 4.5-star pancake. 5-star pancake for me. Giant pancake. Giant tower whipped cream. White chocolate sauce. Dark chocolate sauce. Pieces of actual chocolate. Feastables. And then some Oreo. And a cherry on top.